In this video, we will talk about some tips which will help you crack GSIB exam. You need to finish 4 sections of GSIB Entrance Exam within 120 minutes, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt 120 questions in total. The more you practice, the better chances you have of acing this exam. Make quantitative and reasoning your strong subjects. Practice questions to solve them within time to increase efficiency. You should lay emphasis not on mugging up the formulas but try to understand the concepts so that you can modify the formulas according to the question and its requirement. Remember, negative marking is not a factor here, therefore try to attempt all questions. For practices, I would recommend you the Prep Guru application by Youth for Work as it is the best app for preparation. The link of the app is given in the description below. So if you value the content of our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.